Right now, the AI agent in your terminal can clone itself, hand every clone a different job, and merge their work while you get coffee. Most developers using it every single day have no idea this exists. And the ones who do keep making one mistake that makes it worse than useless. That mistake is the last thing I'll show you. First, the problem. A single agent has one context window. Think of it as a ring of memory around its brain. Every file it reads, every command it runs, every error it hits fills that ring. And when the ring fills up, the agent starts forgetting. Your instructions from 10 minutes ago don't just fade, they fall out. So instead of one agent grinding until its memory chokes, Claude Code does something stranger. It delegates. It spawns a subagent. A second, fresh copy of itself with its own empty context window and hands it exactly one job. The clone goes away and does the dirty work. It reads 20 files. It runs the tests. It hits the dead ends. And then it returns one thing. The conclusion. Not the 20 files. Not the noise. One clean report. Which means the parent's memory stays clean. And that's the real trick. Subagents aren't about speed first. They're about memory. Every messy job happens in someone else's head. And here's the part nobody tells you. A subagent is just a markdown file. A name, a description, and a list of tools it's allowed to touch. Tools are the agent's hands. Reading files, editing code, running commands. Take the editing hand away, and you've built a reviewer that can look at everything, but never break anything. Now scale it. A researcher, a coder, a reviewer, a tester. Each one a separate clone with its own memory, its own permissions, its own job. Kick off a refactor across your codebase, one clone per module, and they all run at the same time. What used to take an afternoon takes minutes. One honest warning. Every clone burns its own tokens, doing its own work, so a swarm is not free. Fan out when the parallel work pays for itself, not for a one-line fix. Now, the mistake. The clones are blind to each other. Send two of them into the same file, and they will happily overwrite each other's work. And they're blind to you, too. A clone never sees your conversation. It knows exactly one thing, the prompt it was handed. Hand it a vague prompt, and it returns confident garbage. And the parent merges that garbage straight into your code. So here's the rule. Fan out on isolated work with self-contained instructions. Keep anything shared in one pair of hands. That is the entire difference between developers who ship a week of work in a day and the ones who let a swarm of clones wreck their codebase. Delegation, fresh memory, tools as hands, permissions as trust. You now understand AI agents better than most people building with them. But clones sharing one brain is only half the story. Because next, your agent needs to talk to the outside world. That's a protocol called MCP, and it's stranger than it sounds. Subscribe to CodeWired and get wired in.